have a new client. State your name.
I'm great. I'm Cassandra.
Okay, so Miss Cassandra does not do color, and this is her first time getting crochets by me, as you can see. She has not seen it, so I'm about to reveal to her what it looks like. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
That is cute. I love it. Just the right amount of color. Just the right amount. It's not too much.
So flip your bangs the other way. That's how you normally wear your hair, right? So flip it the other way.
Oh, this way.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. I love it. It's the perfect length. As long as I can put it in a ponytail. Oh, that's cute. I could do it either way.
So this is what I love to do. My famous bang flip method or volume.
Super cute. I love it.
So she booked the 185. So if you guys want it, please take advantage of it, because next year it will not be 185. It'll be 200 even. Or if you want color like hers and the bangs throughout your whole head, it will be 235. So happy holidays.
Happy holidays.